In this video, we're going to see how PixelArmor AI can run a website design agency by allowing you or your clients to create AI sites and pages no other agency can create or offer right now. PixelArmor AI finds potential clients that need websites created, or if they have a site that could easily be the target of a cybersecurity attack. It generates site audit reports showcasing vulnerabilities for potential client sites that can help get your foot in the door, and then lets you contact them with built-in email sending right from inside the app, linking to your audit report if you want. And then it creates stunning WP sites from AI filled with mass amounts of unique, undetectable AI content. Plus, each site is infused with smart cybersecurity enabled by just clicking a few buttons. This is huge because cyber attacks have absolutely skyrocketed this year. 30,000 malware programs are created daily now, many using AI, and mom and pop businesses don't want to even do online marketing anymore for fear of getting sued for a data breach. Plus, use the AI generator to make mass amounts of high-quality posts that are undetectable to Google and will help rank for many long-tail keywords, sending tons of traffic and leads. This powerful combination of features allows you to create, and if you want, sell sites no other agency can offer and compete in your own blue ocean site market for easy profits. Okay, so to get started, log into the cloud-based app and let's find a client to sell a unique site to. First, type in a keyword and location to begin finding clients in a specific niche that may need site design help. We'll get a list of prospects that show whether they have a website or not, a URL to check out what shape the website is in, contact information, and more. You can also see if they are using WordPress for the site or not. If not, we can message them and help them transfer to our more secure solution. We can add any leads to prospecting buckets like this, then reach out and contact that lead by going to Hot Leads and engaging with the prospects. PixelArmor AI allows you to generate a custom report for their website that showcases site vulnerabilities and security issues and send it to them if you choose. This can help get your foot in the door and show them firsthand that they have site problems they need to quickly address. Then reach out and contact all your site prospects using PixelArmor AI's cloud sending solution. The app will create a custom cold reach out email for you to send. This email is fully editable and allows you to add your own logo and link to the site security PDF lead magnet if you wish. Plus, choose from several other proven to convert templates and emails, and even save this email to a template to use over and over. Send a copy to your email so you begin receiving replies back from prospects to close them. PixelArmor AI CRM allows you to organize all your prospects by approach, fresh, closed, and dead, so you know which clients you've won and which ones to stop messaging. Once you have a client, add them as a sub-user to PixelArmor AI for them to create an AI WordPress site for their business, or choose to create it yourself without giving access. Then begin creating your AI WordPress site. You can start by using already done for you sites from tons of options below. Simply click to download and use the theme and install it anywhere you want, or create a site from scratch in just about any niche you want to install on the client's domain or your domain. First, choose what niche you want the site to be in. There are thousands of options to pick from. Then enter your business details or the business details of the local client. Include any social media links you want the site to link out to. Then if they sell any services, choose what services you want to include or add any services and products they sell. Then you can further customize the site using things like the header design, customizing the main banner image design, customize the About Us page design, and many more point and click options so that the site looks highly professional the way you or the client really wants it. Then generate the theme and preview how it will look in the My Themes section. These sites are built to not just look fantastic, but convert traffic based on what's working today. Okay, now it's time to add unique, undetectable AI content to the theme to help it start ranking in Google for free leads, including using our unique AI to generate local long-tail keywords and posts so the business starts getting leads in their area. The content writer uses AI to create engaging content for any page of the site, including headlines, body text, blog posts, product descriptions, and is programmed to rank your site high in search engines and be undetectable by AI content finders. You can create mass amounts of undetectable content to rank for tons of keywords, including local keyword terms, and generate mass amounts of passive leads. Next, add some AI videos to the site to help it rank in Google Video Search and YouTube as well. Enter a keyword and pick from several AI unique generated videos to include on the site or blog post pages. You can also add AI images to the site and to your blog post to really make it look super high-end and super unique too. Save all this AI content directly in this site, or copy and download it to insert manually. Plus, find and generate the best SEO keywords and tags for your site so it ranks high in search engines and gets traffic automatically. Enter your keyword, and the software will suggest the best tags to add in the site's title, headlines, and metadata. Alright, now we have an amazing looking site with AI content and videos ready for a client that needs it, but now it's time to really separate our site from anything remotely close out there by installing advanced cybersecurity features in a click. To do that, just download the PixelArmor AI security software from the cloud dashboard, log into your newly created WordPress site, and install it in a click. The smart cybersecurity system works by simply uploading and turning it on. Everything works in the background and auto updates, giving you multiple layers of protection from the most advanced hackers, malware, phishing scams, and more. However, if you want to customize the security software, you can click on each tab and edit all the settings in a breeze. Do things like block specific IPs from individuals or countries, enable secure firewalls, hide the WP admin login page, HT access hardening protects against some of the most advanced cyber attacks today, enable several layers of spam protection, add reCAPTCHA for ultra security, add auto updating, and more. Remember, you can use this AI theme builder and security solution for your own sites, or combine them for an agency service no one else can offer in a desperate market that needs this right now. Everything's here, from client finding to lead magnet creation to CRM technology to land lots of clients. Then there's the AI site building with gorgeous themes and done-for-you AI content with advanced cybersecurity to give yourself or your clients the site foundation they need to start doing real online marketing.